Cardio, yeah. So here's the furniture for the labs for the school, science labs and stuff like that. It offers all sorts of features and things which you can add there. Easy as. Multiple designs, colors, beautiful solid wood. Music lab. All sorts. Desk and the chairs for the teachers at their offices. Pretty spiffy, cool, elegant design, and the quality. They are height adjustable, they can go up and down. Look at this one. Yep. Right. Same height adjustable for the children. They can come in the plastic, wood, mixed together, or only wood can be made as well. No problem. On the other hand, we have these boxes, seatings. Here we have all the furniture for the kindergarten. All shelves made with a beautiful solid wood. Baby chairs, cute, very solid, very comfortable. Look at that. There we go. For your cups, things, the drawers. There's a wide variety up there. For the books, shelves, everything which matters and required is right here. Comes with a custom design, set designed, offered. Also for the schools and kindies, canteen, the kitchen, that sort of furniture. Or primary or high school or university, like the beddings. Also available in small sizes for the kindies. Here we'll look at the sample classroom furniture. Teacher's desk right here. And there we are. Chairs, tiny desks. Beautiful. You can have some sorting areas down here as well. Boxes, books and stuff. Everything. You can always adjust the height of the chair. So this one. And yeah. That's how we can easily adjust the height. That's going down. Yeah, and that's going up. Cool, huh? Very handy, very subtle storage boxes. With a lock. It's a fake fridge. I'm sure it works better than the original fridge. I guarantee you.